Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. Bob, the People's Black Belt, and this is episode 6 of Breaking Down the Basics. Now today I just want to go over punches, just the jab and the cross. Nice and easy, basic punches. But there's some things you need to keep in mind when you're throwing these punches. All right, so let's go. So when you're throwing your punches, try not to get in the habit of throwing as fast as you can and just kind of like boom and bringing the hand, dropping the hand. Because anytime you don't return your hand to back where it started, kind of like what we talked about with the kicks, if you drop it, you have to inevitably bring it back up. So the time it takes, the extra time it takes by not just bringing it back where it started. Here, you drop it, and you have to pick it up. Now, the time from here to here to here, it only takes a split second. But during that split second, their punch may be coming in. Also, keep in mind, when we throw our punch, we're extending our arm. Our arms are set up to where they extend faster than they retract. So if you're dropping your hand, you're at a double disadvantage, because if I'm retracting my arm as they're punching, their punch is going to come back faster, which may have me adjust and throw a block. But right now we're just talking about the punches. So you're throwing your punch, you're extending and retracting, coming down the same line, almost if your hand is connected to a clothesline. You go straight down that clothesline and you come straight back to that clothesline. You're not going to go down that clothesline, pull the clothesline and bring it back up. That's not how it works. So when you're punching, you want to go extend, retract down that same line. You're already at a disadvantage, like I said, because if someone's punching you, their extension's quicker than your retraction. So you don't want to give them that extra split second by and then bringing it down. Does it look cool? Yeah, it looks cool, but it's not about looking cool when you're defending yourself. It's about basics. Straight out, straight back. Straight out, straight back. Straight out, straight back. All right? I felt as though this is a topic that is covered a lot. As far as keeping your hands up, keep your hands up, keep your hands up. But as far as the basics go, with the extension is quicker than the retraction. People punching, bringing their hands back, but they're dropping them just a little bit. You know what I mean? As far as boom, punching, dropping and bringing it back up. You don't want to put yourself at a disadvantage already, let alone a double disadvantage by dropping it and bringing it back up. All right? Thank you very much for watching episode number 6 on punches. If you get a chance to, please like our video, subscribe, watch episodes 1 through 4 where we cover kicks, episode 5 in which we cover spacing as far as our weapons go, our short range, medium range, and long range weapons. But like I said, thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next video.